So hello everyone, how are you all? Privat Kakdela, and if you don't know about me, my name is Abhi, AB, you can say Abhi, and I living in India. So it's like an Indian reaction, and today we are going to make reaction on Diana Anкудинова, and I am really big fan of her voice. And if you watch me Diana, then sorry for my pronunciation, and you guys always help me to pronounce her correct name, but I always say wrong, so I am really apologize. Please teach me more language, I mean Russian language, then I will understand more. And also guys, now let's make reaction on Diana because I really feel excited. Now let's start the video. We will talk after. So guys, 1 2 3, now let's start the video. Play. Oh, it's like a snowfall. I like snowfall, by the way. If you don't know, you must know. Where is Diana? Please come, I want to see you. Ah, Diana. Diana. Oh, Diana. Oh, they're making video in night. She even not afraid.
Тишиной сводит с ума, и опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Тихо, саваном белым вьюга.
Look at her voice, just feel it.
Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты.
Oh. Whoa. What a video, man. Oh, bhai sahab. Oh my god, what a video. Actually, I always surprised whenever Diana sing, I don't know, because she have a awesome voices. Even then like this, then from this, it's very hard to sing from this area. And if you understand, if you are singer, then you will definitely will understand. I am not singer, but I am just saying from my mind, because once I try to sing, then I am like, oh. So I stopped singing. And Diana, even honestly to tell you, I am Indian. It's hard for me to understand everything, but I enjoy it a lot. Even actually I understand what she sing, but I also not understand what she sing. it's a hope you will understand, because I feel because of common sense I understand everything, her rhythm, her everything, music style, like this. Diana, please sing more songs. I always told you, we Indians always support you, and you are become trending in India also, because we are best supporter in the world. You must know. And also guys, please support Diana Ankudinova. This video I already put original video in description. Go over there and support from India. Just show some love. And also Diana, we salute you. Please make more songs. Never ever stop and try to sing English song that we understand more closely. And we all love Russia also, and we learning Russian also, by the way, because we are all the best friends. India and Russia, always best friends forever, and we love that. And see you next video guys. Bye bye bye.